I made this roast chicken with buttercream sauce in the air fryer with some pickled onions, and this is the chicken that I made in my new air fryer, which is my current obsession at the moment in the kitchen. So let me show you how I made it. So I mixed all the ingredients that are listed on the screen. For the marinade, I used butter. You can use oil as well, but butter is amazing in this recipe. Then I used one medium chicken here. This is how I heat up my coal to give the coal smoke to the chicken. Just drizzle some oil on it and cover it. For the cream sauce, I used oil and butter so the butter doesn't burn. It's super easy, and the cream sauce is amazing when you put it on top of the cooked chicken. Once the chicken is ready, I'm gonna put it in my air fryer. This air fryer is 25 liters, and it is an air fryer oven with more than like 25 functions. I made some pickled onions to go on the side with the roast chicken, and these are all the ingredients that I used to make them. I use pepper salt, you can use normal salt as well. Coming back to the air fryer, once the chicken is cooked from one side, flip it and cook it from the other side. This air fryer has a separate function for everything, like for baking, for fermentation, for dehydrating, for making fries, pizza, meat, everything. Once the chicken was done from the other side as well, I flipped it again. Just look at the color of the chicken. It is so good. I drizzled the buttercream sauce on top of the chicken, garnished it with the pickled onions, some chopped coriander or cilantro, some chips, and some more sauce. We enjoyed this chicken with some parathas. You can enjoy with rice as well. The details of the air fryer will be in the description box.